Show me your friends and I'll show you your future.
Have you ever thought of becoming better, learning and earning more, improving your skill sets and achieving more goals? How many motivational videos have you watched till now? Or how about how-to videos or your favorite white videos? How about reading a personal development book? Did you ever think that it is a time waste or someone else told it to you? Well, here's why and here's why you must watch motivational videos. The number one habit of super achievers is that they invest 1 hour daily in personal development. Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Warren Buffett all advocate personal growth and educating oneself through books, lectures, seminars from people good at their field or knows about life. They all are attendants of Dale Carnegie's workshops. Steve Jobs even spent time in India meditating with monks and even recommended Mark Zuckerberg to do the same for Facebook. The smartest person is the one who learns from others' mistakes. The intelligent ones try to learn from others' mistakes and grow from learning of their life and not waste time in getting clear everything oneself. People who become successful fast spend at least 10% of their time in learning about one's work and getting better at it. People at top level know it very clearly that there is always a place to learn, and the best way to thrive is to learn from better. The purpose of motivational videos may seem to just get charged up, but you could use them to learn from people who are at the place you aspire to be and get great insights of that industry or a better framework to reach faster where you want to reach. Push your limitations and largen your goals. They push you towards better and better, tell you what are the real values of life. If you find someone who tells truth and isn't just marketing, listen to them, travel with them, study with them, eat with them. That's the easiest way for succeeding. Hustle, hustle, hustle is an old concept. You no longer need to work harder to become better at things and be successful. You need to learn faster. Synchronicity must be key focus and intuition guides it very well. We know most of the things we should do, but only someone comes and shows how important our knowledge is. Someone continuously pushes us and makes it your routine. It's harder to find such people, but motivational videos from right person do the same. It is the greatest opportunity mankind has got to watch successful people ourselves, connect to them and make them one's virtual mentors. We cannot solve our problem with the same thinking we used when we created them by Albert Einstein. The people whom we listen to guides what we will achieve. If we have problems, you are listening to wrong people. If you have problems, you are listening to wrong people. Show me and your friends, I will show you your future. By Dan Pina. If you have miseries, people around you have such mindset. If you want to escape it, this is the free way to do it. Now, anyone can see, learn from greatest peoples of any time, and named under motivational videos, these provide just that. But we know learning is not just the thing. We must be fit to apply it, and exercise and sleep provides just that. So why do we need to exercise daily? Or why do we need sleep? Well, this seems a story for another why.